This is a quick video to show you how to change the date and the time on this Brother P-Touch. Here the model number is PT70, right over here, and it runs on 4 AAA batteries. So to change the time and the date, go press power, start it up, go to function. It will probably start at something like size, but you can scroll to time, or you can go straight to time by pressing I. There you go. And then press this format clock, and then press this again, and then you see the month blinking. So what you do is press the number, hold your finger on it, and then for the month, if it's November, you put 11. If it's December, you put 12, and then release that, press enter. The day, so again, which day you are, 01, 02, so on. And then the year, again, press number, hold. It can be 11 or 22, press enter. Now the hour, 01 or 10, whatever, and then again enter, and then change the minutes, enter, and then the AM, PM, you can go and press here to PM or AM, and once you're done, finally press enter, and that's it. And then you can press the time button and it gives you the time, or you can clear up.